Emily. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Emily, your English teacher.
Paul. Hi, everyone. I'm Paul. I'm learning English. Slowly.
Emily, slowly is perfect, Paul. Learning English is a journey.
Paul. Yes. Sometimes I walk, sometimes I stop.
Emily, that's okay. Today we learn together. Relax, smile, and enjoy English. Emily, before we start, please like this video.
Paul. And subscribe to the channel.
Emily, share it with a friend who wants to learn English.
Paul. Yes. Learn English together. It's more fun.
Emily, today's topic is very useful.
Paul. Oh, good. I like useful English.
Emily, today we learn English for shopping, restaurant, and traveling.
Paul. Wow! Shopping, food, and travel. I like all three.
Emily, me too, and we use very simple English.
Paul. Thank you. My brain is happy now.
Emily, let's start with shopping.
Paul. Okay. I go shopping every week.
Emily, good. Imagine you are in a shop.
Paul. Yes, I see many things. Shoes, shirts, bags.
Emily, you want to buy a shirt. What do you say?
Paul. Shirt?
Emily, haha, good try. You can say, excuse me.
Paul. Excuse me.
Emily, then say, how much is this?
Paul. How much is this?
Emily, perfect. Very good English.
Paul. Easy. I like easy.
Emily, the shopkeeper says, it is $10.
Paul. $10. Okay.
Emily, if it is cheap, you can say, that's good.
Paul. That's good.
Emily, if it is expensive, you can say, too expensive.
Paul. Too expensive. My wallet is crying.
Emily, haha, that's real life.
Paul. Emily. What if I like the shirt?
Emily, you say, I like it.
Paul. I like it.
Emily, and then, I will take it.
Paul. I will take it.
Emily, great job. Emily, now let's go to a restaurant.
Paul. Yes. I'm hungry already.
Emily, you sit at a table. The waiter comes.
Paul. He says.
Emily, he says, hello, and you say, hello.
Paul. Easy.
Emily, then you can say, can I see the menu, please?
Paul. Can I see the menu, please?
Emily, very nice. Always say please.
Paul. Please is magic.
Emily, yes. Now you see food, pizza, rice, chicken.
Paul. I like chicken.
Emily, so you say, I want chicken.
Paul. I want chicken.
Emily, or more polite, I would like chicken.
Paul. I would like chicken.
Emily, perfect. What about a drink?
Paul. Water.
Emily, say, can I have water, please?
Paul. Can I have water, please?
Emily, very good, Paul.
Paul. Emily, what if the food is very good?
Emily, you say, it's delicious.
Paul. It's delicious.
Emily, if it's not good.
Paul. Not good.
Emily, yes, you can say, it's not good. Simple is okay.
Paul. Simple English is my best friend.
Emily, now let's travel.
Paul. I like travel, but English scares me.
Emily, don't worry, we use easy English.
Paul. Okay, I trust you.
Emily, you are at the airport.
Paul. Big place. Many people.
Emily, you need help. You say, excuse me.
Paul. Excuse me?
Emily, then, where is the bathroom?
Paul. Where's the bathroom?
Emily, very important sentence.
Paul. Yes. Very important.
Emily, you can also say, where is the taxi?
Paul. Where's the taxi?
Emily. Or I need help.
Paul. I need help.
Emily. That's enough English to start.
Paul. Wow. Traveling English is not so scary.
Emily. See, you are learning. Emily. Now let's practice together.
Paul. Oh, okay. I'm ready.
Emily. Imagine you are in a shop. Say one sentence.
Paul. Excuse me, how much is this?
Emily. Excellent. Emily. Now restaurant. One sentence.
Paul. I would like chicken, please.
Emily. Perfect. Emily. Now traveling.
Paul. Excuse me, where's the bathroom?
Emily. Haha. Great choice.
Paul. I feel confident now.
Emily. You should. You did very well. Emily. Let's remember.
Paul. Shopping. How much is this?
Emily. Restaurant. I would like. And can I have, please?
Paul. Traveling. Where is? And I need help.
Emily. Simple words, real life English. Emily. Remember, learning English takes time.
Paul. Mistakes are okay?
Emily. Yes, mistakes help you learn.
Paul. I make many mistakes.
Emily. And that's perfect.
Paul. Thank you, Emily.
Emily. You're welcome, Paul, and thank you, listeners. Emily. Now a question for you?
Paul. Yes. Write in the comments.
Emily. Where do you want to use English?
Paul. Shopping, restaurant, or traveling?
Emily. Tell us in the comments. Emily. Thanks for listening.
Paul. Keep practicing every day.
Emily. See you next time.
Paul. Bye-bye, everyone. Paul. I can use this today.